Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Highguard game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. Once your system restarts, now check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch it and then check whether it's working or not. So after going to Steam, here you can see the update option available. Simply click on update option and once done, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option. It will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices and your controller will be added here. For that, you have to first remove it. So click on three dot icon and click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add device, click on everything else and here you have to add your controller. After you have added your controller, now check if the gamepad or controller not working issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to enable big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, here you have to select your game and here you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it. Now once you enter big picture mode, you have to select the game and you have to click on the play button. Once you click on the play button, wait for some time and after that click on the Steam option over here. Now click on power and then select exit big picture mode. After that, check whether the gamepad or controller not working issue is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. So I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. So once the website opens, click on download option. Now from here you have to select and download DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading it, install it and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Highguard game and then check for the error. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working error on Highguard game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.